Very, very important subject I wanted to highlight today. It's all about life insurance, term cover. Odisha train accident claims nearly 300 people in the recent incident, and in LIC there were only roughly 15 people approached, and the approximate claim amount is only 3 lakhs. After 300, only 15. Very sad story. Sadly, the sum assured or insured amount itself is very low, and the percentage of that kind of injured is nearly 1,000, and nearly 200 are critically injured. Living after the critical injured with the treatment and expenditure is more difficult than, in fact, the first incident of death, because here the family is burdened with the treatment, family is burdened with the daily expenditure, family is burdened with the no income. Altogether, the bigger burden you are putting on family. Why? Because no proper insurance on disability compensation not taken. That's available today. You have accident policy, you have disability policy, you have term policy which covers all sort of death, natural, accidental, pandemic, everything is covered in that insurance, and it is not done in time and keep on postponing. Friends, here the news says 28,000 died due to heart attack in last 3 years. This is true. In India, it is. Critical illness occurring suddenly and many are dying, or many people are spending bigger and bigger amount for treatment, and many are become disabled on a later stage. Sadly, not many have start proper health cover or life insurance if that happen. This is one of the important subjects that you should have these basic necessities of insurance in your kit on a first priority. Road accident scenario more serious in India than COVID-19 is told by Nitin Gadkari, and this 415 deaths daily due to road accident happening in India, alarming, and equal or two times or three times critical injury also happening. If you look at the bottom line, 1.5 lakh people being killed on an annual in average, and 3.5, and they become annually injured. 1 is to 3. Here, it is necessary that you should take precaution immediately. Precaution is only that you should secure yourself with insurance. Both the insurance, death insurance as well as critical insurance and disability insurance. It is important. You know that during 2020-21, the COVID made a bigger damage in our Indian society, not only in India, all over the world. And there were more than 5 lakh people died. And sadly, the life insurance claim was very small in LIC. Very sadly. Percentage of life insurance in India is only 20% means. Eligible population, only 20 are insured, 80% not insured. Whereas in abroad countries, 80-90% already secured, insured sufficiently. Only 10% not insured. Why? Is it because of no knowledge? Is it because of they don't have money? Is it because of they don't have time? No. It is only because they keep on postponing. They keep on telling no, not now, later. I feel that's the only reason. Why they are telling so? They think they may not die immediately. Please remember, the death can occur in many ways. There are many things happening across. Recent sudden flood in many parts of India killed hundreds just a month back. And the property damage, plenty. You should ensure that your property is secured, your vehicle is secured, your personal life is secured, your family is secured. I feel vehicle insurance you buy because of the fearing police. Vehicle insurance we are buying for the full value, but our own life insurance we are not giving that much importance. Is it that our life is not that important to the vehicle? Please remember today, ensure that you do so much for your family and ensure that you take sufficient life cover also. Why term cover? The question is, what suffers in case if your insurance not sufficient? The first and foremost is sudden loss of income. There are many liabilities many of us will accumulate like a personal loan, home loan, car loan, etc. etc. Who will pay that liability in case there is no fund available after death? Children's education, day-to-day living expenditure. And there are many people who are catering their parents. The parents are totally depending on children. And if the child die, who take care of them? And if you are a owner of the industry or organization, the whole employees suffers. And there is a big loss in that way to society. So the policy, term policy, if not a bigger investment, at least do it with 1,000 rupees per month. You can secure your life. Please, I am giving an example here. The 1 crore would cost roughly 1,000 to 1,500 rupees, depend on the period. I given an example of age 30. For 30 years, up to age 60, the coverage of 1 crore, all sort of death. Either it is a critical illness death, natural death, accident death, pandemic death. Everything is covered under this. And you pay roughly 1,500 rupees per month or 18,150 plus GST. And this scheme is available for all age group. Please avail it. Ensure that you are secured properly, you are taken safety properly, and contact us for any help you need it on this subject. We are happy to support you. Thank you and all the best. Good luck.